The Live Preview extension makes it easy to preview HTML directly within VS Code. Now here I've already installed the extension, so let's take a look at it in action. In my workspace here, I have a simple HTML file that I created. So you can see a very basic HTML file, and if you look over at the top right corner here, you can see a new icon showing up in my toolbar. This is contributed by the Live Preview, and if I go in and I click on this, you can see that it's opened up a preview of my current file. So you can see again, I have the header that is over on the source code side, and then that header is being rendered nicely over on the browser side. And this kind of looks like a little simple browser that's opened up directly inside of VS Code. Now the cool part about Live Preview is that it doesn't just preview the file as it exists on disk, it can actually update live as you're editing. So if I wanted to go in here and start editing, I can say hello world, add some exclamation marks. Notice how those are getting added automatically. I could say hello to you. And again, it's going to just update in real time, and I don't even have to worry about saving the file to disk or doing anything like that. This even works for linked files. So here I have a style sheet that I'm using, and if I go and I open up that file, so now we're in a CSS file here, I can actually go and start changing the styles. So I'll go into the color picker here for the header, and I'll start using my little color picker to go and change the colors. And notice how the text over here is actually changing as well as I'm going in the color picker here. So we'll get a nice bright green, or go over to like a red, for example. And again, that's all just happening automatically. I don't have to worry about saving the file to disk or doing anything like that. Now, one final feature I want to touch on is that you can actually open the Live Preview in your standard web browser as well. So if I actually go over to my Live Preview currently, I can go to the hamburger menu here and actually say Open in Browser. I could also go and copy this link if I wanted to, but I'll use the Open in Browser option here. And you can see that VS Code has now gone and opened the Live Preview in my standard web browser, which in this case is Safari. Now I'm actually going to go back to VS Code and shrink down the window a little bit here to kind of demonstrate that this Live Preview is also going to update live. So here I have my browser that's open. Again, it's not linked to VS Code. If I go to the little color picker like I was doing before, I can go and change the colors, and it's going to reload the page automatically. So again, it makes it really easy to iterate on your current page design just because you don't even have to worry about saving anything to disk. The Live Preview is just going to be updated automatically no matter if it's in VS Code or in an external browser. So that's just been a quick introduction to the Live Preview extension. It has a bunch of other functionality and configuration options as well, so be sure to check out its documentation for more details.